I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, 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 I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. Every single day.
Okay, so technically it's not the ocean, it's just a lake, the Ontario lake, but it's still very nice. Here, as you can see, there are many people around who are taking their kids picnics, going to the beach, enjoy their time. But yeah, it's nice and breezy, it's nice and sunny, so we're having a great time.
I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
So we're not gonna take a dip today, but we did have a nice walk and the scenery and everything. And now we're heading uptown to see what this little area is all about. Maybe have some brunch. I don't know, I'll take you guys with us. So let's go! So you can see the seasons changing. Wow. Hello, summer. So nice. Look at this place. Motors are out. It's summer, that's what it is. Wow! We're checking this place out. It's a boutique. It's a cute little boutique. La la la. So there, I wouldn't say that there's much. There's only like a block of like cute boutiques and cafe food places, which is nice, sufficient. But Dalhousie support is pretty small. But there's one thing though, there's a lot of cute estates. So if you want to get some ideas or just come and look around, it's actually pretty nice. And the weather is great, so I'm not complaining. Bike rides and picnics would be nice if you're hanging around, getting a dip in the lake, not the ocean. That's pretty nice too. And you can chill up in town. It's actually a cute like half a day, 1 day picnic day. And we're on to the next destination. New discovery. I just found out that this is called this thing for my iPhone peeps. It's called a dongle. What? Why? Is this called a dongle? Why is it called dongle? Okay. Sunset Beach. Yeah, it's much cleaner than Dalhousie Port and it's much bigger. There's a lot of people here playing volleyball, sunbathing, enjoying the time. It's nice and chilly and sunny. Okay, okay. Yeah. We're at the garden center. Flower farm. Should be fun. Wow, this is like a fairy tale. Rosemary. It smells absolutely amazing in here. Yeah, so people are taking carts home. That's how great this place is. So you see we're at Seaway Farm and look at our loots. It smells fantastic. Can't wait to get home and get my gardening on. Let's go.
Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, but
So now we're downtown in Niagara on the lake. It's super cute town. The bell tower is right behind me, and we got some gelato. I got Niagara's peach. We're just at the peach farm just now. So this place is fantastic. I'll take you with me.
Destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Short, but not too big around. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road.
I know
Right now I'm
every
at the
engineer on every train, all of their children and all of their names. Every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't a lock when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes on, but 2 hours of pushing broom. Ain't a 12 bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road.
I know every engineer on every train, all of their children and all of their names. Every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, all but 2 hours of pushing broom. Buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road.
sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes on
We're scared.
2 hours of pushing.
I don't know how I feel about going to church. It's something you don't see every day, but I feel bad for it. Oh well, it's a nice highlight of the whole trip. But yeah, there you go, horse carriages.